Thank you all for joining. This is Monica, a medical counselor at Advice International, India's leading overseas education consultancy. Today's session is on top reasons to study medicine abroad in 2021 and the years to come. Also, at the end of the session, I'll be addressing questions, so please write down the same in the chat box. So let me first brief you on the Indian medical system. In India, to pursue medicine, we need to write the NEET UG exam to qualify for admissions. The last NEET exam was to be conducted on 13th April 2020 and the same got postponed due to the ongoing pandemic, and as of now, we are uncertain when the NEET UG exam will be conducted this year. There are approximately 61,000 undergraduate medical seats available. According to the stats of 2019, there were 15 lakh students who registered for the exam and the top merit students got the seats. Now what happens to the remaining students? Some of them paid a hefty donation to the seats or dropped their plans. There is a third option available to these students, which is studying abroad. Why wait and miss out on your dreams when medical admissions are still open for September 2021? Here are some of the benefits of studying abroad. There are no donations. Admissions are based on academic scores. Fair and direct admission process. The admissions are based on your 10 and 12 marks or predicted scores for 12. In abroad, the MBBS degree is known as MD, and based on the country you choose, the course duration also differs. Say, in US and Canada, it is an 8-year MD program with 4 years of basic sciences and 4 years of MD. To apply, you need to have a total score of 80 plus in year 12 and an IELTS score of overall 7. In Caribbean Islands, this is also called the offshore campus of US and Canada. Here it is a 6-year program with 2 years of basic science and 4 years of MD degree, and USMLE is part of their program itself. You need a score of 65 plus in 12. Many American and Canadian students join these universities and pursue their MD program. In UK, the program is only 5 years, 1 year of foundation and 4 years of medicine. And the requirement is 85 plus in 12 and need to write your UCAT exam 1 year prior to the admissions. In Europe, it is a 6-year MD with 2 years of basic science and 4 years of MD. In 12, you need to have 80 plus. Unlike India, you will have to do a 2 year of medical rotation in hospitals in USA and UK. The choice is yours. Clinical rotation is nothing but an internship. Some of the other benefits are reasonable tuition fee. The figures that I'm going to mention are for 1 year. So for US and Canada, it is 25 to 30 lakhs per year. In Caribbean Islands, it will cost you around 9 to 24 lakhs. In UK, it is 20 to 25 lakhs. In Australia, 23 to 27. And Europe, 19 to 25 lakhs. Above all the benefits, the most important of all is the fact that all these degrees are internationally recognized, and that means you can practice across 50 plus countries. Licensing exams like USMLE and FLAP are part of the program itself. The universities help you prepare and score good marks as it is important for your residency placement in UK or USA. Residency in abroad are basically your specialization post MBBS degree. During the residency period, you can earn up to 50 to 70k USD. Unlike in India, where post your MBBS, you appear for your NEET PG, struggle to get a seat, and then give your MCI exam, clear it, and then you can practice. The universities that we at Advice represent are MCI registered, accredited by CAMHP, follow the US, UK, and Australia curriculum. Clinical rotations are either in US or UK hospitals. Universities prepare their students for licensing exams like USMLE and FLAP. Few of the universities we at Advice help with for medical courses are in UK, King's College, Queen's Mary University and University of Manchester. In Caribbean island, it's St. George University. They are also associated with Ramaiah Medical College in India and Northumbria in UK. American University of Antigua, and they are associated with Manipal Medical School in India. American University of Caribbean, St. Martin, and they are associated with UCLan in UK. Trinity School of Medicine. In Australia, it is James Cook University College of Medicine and Dentistry, Townvilla. Bond University, Monash University. In Europe, it is University of Niscam and MCPH in USA. Before concluding the session, Advice is organizing a virtual fair on study medicine abroad on 18th March from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. This is an opportunity for students and parents to meet the university representative. You can register yourself on our website www.adviceinternational.com or on our Facebook or Instagram page. Now, I'll go in for the question and answer sections. Do you have any questions? So in case you come up with any questions or you have any doubt, you can always reach out to our advice counselors. They will be ready to help you out. Now, I would like to thank each one of you for your time. Students who are looking for other science related programs, please get in touch with advice counselors. We have also started with virtual counseling session. You can now make an application to your dream university from home through Advice. Thank you all for your time and patience. Stay safe and take care. Thank you all. Bye.